perfectly slow-cooked prime rib.
Hello everyone! Today, we're talking about the art of slow cooking a delicious prime rib roast. There's nothing quite like the tender, juicy, flavorful experience of a perfectly cooked prime rib, and we're going to teach you exactly how to achieve this at home, specifically using a temperature of 225 degrees Fahrenheit. Let's dive into it.
Why 225 degrees Fahrenheit?
The first thing you might be wondering is, why 225 degrees Fahrenheit? Well, slow roasting prime rib at this relatively low temperature allows the meat to cook evenly from edge to edge. This method minimizes the overcooked outer layers that are common with higher roasting temperatures. So, slow roasting at 225 degrees Fahrenheit ensures even cooking and maximizes juiciness and flavor.
How long does it take?
Now, onto the main question. How long does it take to cook prime rib at 225 degrees Fahrenheit? Well, it generally takes about 25 to 30 minutes per pound of prime rib. So, for instance, if you have a 5-pound roast, you're looking at about 2 hours and 15 minutes to 2 hours and 30 minutes. Remember, these are just estimates. Always use a meat thermometer to ensure your prime rib is cooked to the desired doneness.
What is the desired internal temperature?
But how do you know when your prime rib is done? The USDA recommends an internal temperature of 145 degrees Fahrenheit for safe consumption of beef, followed by a 3-minute rest period. However, many people prefer their prime rib cooked to different degrees of doneness. Here are the common ones. Rare, 120 to 125 degrees Fahrenheit. Medium rare, 130 to 135 degrees Fahrenheit. Medium, 140 to 145 degrees Fahrenheit. Medium well, 150 to 155 degrees Fahrenheit. Well done, 160 degrees Fahrenheit and above. Remember to remove the roast from the oven when it's about 5 to 10 degrees below your target temperature, as the meat will continue to cook, a phenomenon called carryover cooking, as it rests. There you have it. Slow roasting prime rib at 225 degrees Fahrenheit is a fantastic way to achieve a juicy, flavorful roast with even doneness. Remember, the key is patience and a reliable meat thermometer. We hope this guide has been helpful. Enjoy your cooking and, most importantly, enjoy your meal.